Out with the old. Man, in with the new. Check out that fitment. Right out the box. Goes up on your seat a little bit. Right where your factory ones would connect. Locks it in nice and secure. These things are nice. So these fit a 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado crew cab. So I got the fronts and the backs. I'll get them installed and show you how them are. Also, if you got different makes and models, you can go check out their page. They have different ones you can get. And check these things out. They go up under the seat a little bit and then all the way in the back. I'll go way up underneath the seat. Can't lift mine up. I got my kid's car seat in there. But man, these things fits nice. Passenger rear side. What it looks like. And then on our passenger front. You talking about amazing fit right out the box. You can't beat that. So if you're in the market to get yourself a nice set of all-weather floor mats that won't break the bank, this is the one. Click the link, get yours today while they're in stock and on sale.